Very good. Right.
And his feet.
His feet.
I got it.
You got it? Yeah. Are we ready? Have a look in there. What have we got in there?
What? There's something in there.
Pull it out.
That one. That one.
Yeah, what is it?
Batteries.
What's the batteries for?
In there.
Go on then, turn him over and we'll open him up. Do you want to have a turn?
Yeah.
And try.
So you open it that way.
And Mummy help?
Yeah. I thought you'd tell me.
Right, just 1 minute.
Did you just...
Right, we'll be back in a minute. Tidy this messy bedroom.
This goes in there.
Come here. Let Mummy help.
That way? That way?
Let's see. That goes that way.
Yeah.
That goes that way. That goes that way. And that goes that way. Let's put the lid. Oh! It's starting already. Turn him off for 1 second. And put this on.
I did it! I did.
Go on. Finished?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. Right, are you going to hoover?
Wait a second.
What does he need? He needs his hat on. And he needs his nose on. Come here.
Wait.
Let me help. There we go. Yeah, put his nose on.
Okay. And feet.
The feet?
Yeah.
Is that his feet? Just 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Right, there you go, Seth. He's all ready. Yeah, 1 minute, please. Are you switching him on now, sir?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Okay, get that challenge.
I will.
Did you just...
Right, we'll be back in a minute. Tidy this messy bedroom.